Assalamualaikum and
good
good
morning.
morning.
We
We
are
are group Annabelle and our game is Carrot, Plan and Protect. Our game is based on the Journey Invent Challenge Team Cherry of Forests and Plants. In this game, the player control and squirrel. The squirrel is mission is to collect sets and bring team to the planting zone to grow new trees. There are 3 levers and each lever has an default number for set that must be pressed before moving to the next lever.
The challenge is to avoid the bulldozer because it represents deforestation. If the squirrel throws the bulldozer, the player loses. This is our squirrel collection seat. This is our and bringing it to the planting zone. At the same time, the player must avoid the bulldozer. When all the required seats are planted, the player moves to the next level. Our game teaches players to care for nature in a fun way. We hope everyone will become a responsible guardian of forests. Thank you for listening. We hope you enjoy, plan, and protect.